Hindi ko alam.
Tatay na siya.
Kakat ko yun, baby. Punta kami guys ng Starbucks kasi
Natatay na siya.
hindi. Kasi gusto namin ng malamig na matamis. Naumay kami sa cheese.
Tsaka kailangan may banyo.
Kailangan may banyo doon, naiihi ka na. Ikaw yung natatayad.
Natatay na siya, guys.
Grabe, naumay ako doon. Pero ang sarap.
Masarap.
Nice, masarap. Guys, andun yung
Guys,
fountain.
ang sarap ng cheese fondue, daming alak.
Daming alak. Guys, nakikita niya yung fountain.
Daming wine.
Ay, hindi nakikita yung fountain.
Ay,
Ang sarap ng araw, guys. Ba't puro guys?
ano bang tawag mo sa subscribers mo?
Wala. Tatlo lang naman yung subscriber yung mga nanonood. Tapos ako lang play ng play doon. Joke lang.
Tawag mo doon ay
Guys. Guys.
Kamyaw.
Dito hindi nakikita yung ano. Hindi ko nakikita yung screen ko eh. Ba't yan may fountain dito? Hanapin nyo kung saan. Pag nakita nyo, edi wow. Paalis na ang barko. Ang ganda ng araw, guys. 18 degrees Celsius. May konting lamig, but so far init siya. So far init.
Guys, ang ganda dito sa Geneva.
I know. Nang ano? Tagal pa yun.
Game entrance.
For a picture. Guys, nandito na kami sa London.
Gusto mo magpa-picture sa ano?
Oh! Tingnan mo, baka may biglang umano.
Mahalas.
Hindi siya may inggit, ayaw niya.
Hyde Park.
Hyde Park. Guys, ang laki.
Hindi ko alam. Ayaw tao na kung anong park.
Taga dito siya, hindi niya alam kung anong park. Basta
London
park.
Park po.
London Park.
Ayaw pa kanya.
Oh, nice. Ang init.
Balik na. Ay, yung kabayo, David.
Oh, nice. The king and queen. Charis lang guys. Mga kabayo lang sila.
Makulit yung puti.
Telephone booth, guys. Grabe, tas may bus pa dyan. Uy, talaga. Ay, ang ganda naman.
Tingin dito. Tingin ka dito, baby. Harap. Yan.
Guys, Big Ben. Oops, sorry. Big Ben. Bus. Big Ben. Bus. Look at that. Ayoko.
London Eye.
Guys, this is the Big Ben.
Big Benny Ben.
Big Ben, and this is... Ay, hindi kita. London Eye.
Das willst du ja gar nicht wissen.
Wie heute geht's ja noch.
Guys, ay walang gumaganda ng lightning. So, nandito tayo sa accommodation na super ganda siya. Love it. And napansin lang ako, binuksan ko yung TV nila. There you go. Don't mind all the stuff here. I'm gonna clean them. Or I'm gonna arrange them later. But, guys, look at this. So, there you go. Sema. Tapos, binuksan ko yung YouTube nila, B. It's all Tagalog. And chinek ko kung may nakalag in. Oh, sorry. May nakalag in. And then, wala namang nakalag in actually. There you go. I'm watching as a guest. And then, punta tayo sa search. Oh, look at that. Meron tayong Itbulaga TV live today. So, I guess yung last na nag-check-in dito is Filipino. So, for sure, ang last na nag-guest dito is Pinoy. Is it nice? Love it. Love it. It's nice. Okay, anyway. I'm gonna rest. But, I'm just gonna ayos all of this stuff para tomorrow. Tomorrow is the last and the last day. Today was so fun, super pagod, super saya, super lahat ng super ganda in London. It's nice, you know. I like it here, but there's no buts. Anyway, just gonna ayos then so I can rest now. Charge sana ako ng phone, but look at this. So, ito yung sakit. Sakit. Tatlo siya. Look at that. So, as you can see, pahaba siya and cannot fit. I have yung below and buti na lang may power bank. So, may power bank tayo. Safe. So, I'm just gonna sleep, I'm gonna rest because I had a long day and tomorrow is another day. Family day, so voilà. Bonsoir, bonne nuit tout le monde.